把嘴巴张开。好，1、2、3，吃。Hey, can I take a picture of you? Sure. Painting in the sky. 看那个窗户没？那窗户。那里我拍一个语音。Can I take a picture? I also have a dog in Tokyo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, border collie.
Border collie.
Can I take a picture of you guys? Ooh. Can I post it in social media? Thank you. What's your name?
Riley.
Thank you. Hajimemashite.
You got Instagram? I want to be able to see your photo.
L.Y. Carey.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Oh, you can speak Japanese?
I got Okinawan wife.
Oh, すごい. Where are you from?
Chicago. You?
I'm from China.
Oh yeah. Just tell everybody we're on camera.
Hi.
Alright. This is
Can I take a picture of you? Yeah, this way. Perfect method. The dog together? Yeah. Ooh. So you guys, take a picture. 写真撮ってもいいですか？はい。Okay. Okay. バイバイ。写真撮ってもいいですか？恋人ですか？海に見ます。はい。とても綺麗。ピース大丈夫ですか？はい、ありがとう。Can I take a picture of you guys?
Oh yeah.
Can you jump?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me get this way. 1, 2, 3, jump! Ooh! Where are you from? Texas. Oh, did you play the Texas poker?
Oh yes.
Yes, I like it. Thank you. Hi, thank you. Can I take a picture? Thank you. 来，现在那个爱人拍法，拍这2位可爱的老人家。
首先这样子，就是他
扣子就差不多了。
对对对。
好，现在到我一人。好。こんにちは。写真撮ってもいいですか？はい、ありがとう。おいくつですか？すごい。中国。はい、中国。はいはいはいはい。今夏休みですから。夫婦ですか？何年結婚し？50年。50年。すごい幸せなんです。はい、バイバイ。はい。